Hi guys. So let's just go on with how to set up the Mac. So let's go right in. English, India. India. Yep. Continue. If you have any requirement of a vision or a motor or hearing issues, then you can just provide your accessibility settings in here. If not, you can customize it later on. So right now, as of now, I have no requirement of any, so I'll just proceed. So let me just connect my Wi-Fi. The keys are pretty smooth. The keyboard is really smooth. Do you want to transfer my information? No, not right now. If you require to transfer any information from your previous Mac or your Windows PC, you can do it right here. As of now, I need this Mac as a new system, so I would prefer not now. Apple ID. If you do not have an Apple ID, you need to create it because an Apple ID is a must for using an Apple device. Okay, if you want to read the terms and conditions, you are available to read the terms and conditions, but generally people don't, so even I am not. You can actually change your profile picture over here, but I haven't, which I will later on. I can't put a Facebook on my account's profile pic. So it has retrieved the data from my cloud, and right now it's asking me for my permissions for few of the settings, and I would generally prefer my location to be enabled in case of tracking. I would not share my Mac analytics, but if in case you want to, you can. Continue. I would like to screen my screen time. No, I would not like to share my cloud analytics with Apple. Yep, enable as Siri. So let's set up a Siri. So let me set up my Touch ID. I would prefer auto as of now, but mostly dark, as it can help my eyes and also the charging. And there you go. Your Apple Mac is all ready to go.